Have you ever wondered if your team could truly master the mind? Not just manage stress, but thrive in clarity, connection, and purpose. Welcome to TLEX Mind Matters, where leadership starts within. Here, transformation isn't just a buzzword, it's a lived experience. One that's practiced, felt, and shared. Our approach is grounded in three powerful pillars of personal and organizational change. Self-mastery is about learning to manage your inner state so you can stay calm, focused, and energized, even during chaos. Connection helps foster genuine trust and empathy, strengthening collaboration and shared purpose across your teams. And commitment builds the foundation for clear decision-making, adaptability, and leading with vision and purpose. Let's begin with our most impactful starting point, sky immersion. In just 3 interactive sessions, participants master sky breath meditation, a scientifically backed technique proven to reduce stress, improve sleep, and enhance mental clarity. But it doesn't stop at breathing. These sessions also integrate interactive practices that strengthen emotional resilience, leadership ability, and communication. And to support long-term growth, participants receive continued access to the TLEX Flow app, designed for daily well-being. Whether your goal is to restore energy after high-intensity work cycles, improve creativity and focus under pressure, or develop trust within fast-moving teams, Sky Immersion equips individuals with tools to reset, reflect, and realign. Sky Immersion is perfect for any high-performance, people-based organization. We've seen individuals become calmer, more centered, and decisive, focusing on the signal, not the noise. Peter J. Cooper, CIO and founder, Cooper Investors. For deeper transformation, our multi-day tailored leadership development is customized to your team's needs and challenges. These programs help individuals elevate awareness, foster a deeper sense of belonging, and strengthen commitment to their goals and teams. Whether your organization is aligning around a new company vision, strengthening collaboration after a major transition, or preparing future-ready leadership, our retreats are designed to bring lasting clarity and cohesion. TLEX's integration of leadership into highly tactical, contextualized approaches leads to deep transformation. Sanjay Pradhan, CEO, Open Government Partnership. Looking for something short, scalable, and immediately impactful? Our inner workshops are live 60-minute sessions, offered both online and in person. Each session delivers practical breathing techniques, relevant topics, and open conversations designed to build resilience and mental agility. Inner workshops are ideal for embedding wellness into daily routines, supporting with mental well-being tools, energizing virtual teams, or adding value to organizations' ERG, DEI, or leadership programs. TLEX's inner workshops gave our teams at eBay both reprieve and renewed energy. The sessions were easy to attend and deeply relatable. Karishma Anand, Senior Director, Product Management, and Global President, Women at eBay. Over 30,000 professionals worldwide, from Fortune 500 leaders to dynamic startups, have experienced the TLEX difference. With over 35 years of research and facilitation, our programs offer a unique combination of ancient wisdom, modern science, and practical tools for high-performing teams. If you're ready to lead from the inside out, now is the time to begin the journey. Let's help your people unlock their highest potential. One breath, one moment, and one breakthrough at a time.